Sup y'all, I decided I am going to make a mini series of me reorganizing my desk because I have been putting it off for a very long time and it is quite a mess. So I'm gonna do a drawer right now because it's kind of late. I'm just gonna do one drawer and that'll be one video, and then honestly, depending on the next few days, I might do like 2 drawers, 3 drawers. I have 6. So it's gonna take me a little while, but I just thought I'd do a little like series because why not? And I also I haven't done hardly any like content for y'all the past 2 years or so that I've had this channel. So I thought I would be somewhat creative and we'll see how this goes. I have no idea how long the videos are gonna be or how cool they're gonna be, but it's something. Because I want to do better about making videos, even if they're not the most fascinating things. I just want to get something out there for y'all. So, here goes nothing. This is the drawer I'm going to be working on tonight, y'all. It is a little full. Okay, we're testing a hands-free holder for this phone. I really hope it works. Alright, I'm just going to start taking stuff out, seeing what all I have exactly, because I really don't know. It's just a bunch of randomness. Here's me as a baby. Look at how cute I was. I have a lighter in here because I like to have candles lit in my room every once in a while, in case you're wondering why that's there. Hey, it's a 2-year planner. Sweet. These are all for the Bible verses I'm slowly gonna memorize. I like to write them on here because, you know, writing helps you remember things, and that way I can like put them in my purse, put them in my car, put them on my mirror, and like read them throughout the day, especially once I have them memorized. So that's the gun. Oh, look at this little baby. Look at this little baby. I need to get a picture of Bella for this. Working counter. If y'all have never been there, you should go. It's a really cool place. Alright, here it all is, laid out. Pretty much cleared. I'm gonna put those things in the garbage, but hopefully once this is back in, it's gonna look a lot nicer. These fit like perfectly next to each other. Looks very nice. In case you couldn't tell by the way I have these organized, I really like it when things fit nicely together. It's so satisfying, you know? Alright, so it's looking better and better. Final product that honestly did not take as long as I thought it would. I probably could have done a hyperlapse video, but I know how y'all are these days with your attention spans, so may or may not have kind of shoved a few things in other drawers, but it looks so much better. So tomorrow, I will probably tackle this. In case y'all are worried or wondering, these are airsoft pistols I randomly practice with sometimes. Man, I have some good stuff in here, and it'll be fun looking through it all and making it look a little nicer. I'll probably do that tomorrow, and this one too if I have time. We'll see. Also, this ball I've had since I was like 2 years old, and somehow I've managed to keep it all these years. It's a little deflated, as you can see, but anyway. So that's my plan. Thank y'all for watching this very spontaneous and random and somewhat probably boring video. Hopefully I can improve on my video ideas. I just randomly have ideas and I'm like, sure, let's go for that. So hopefully y'all found it entertaining. Also, I know I look probably pretty awkward with this camera because I don't have much experience in holding a phone and like videoing myself. So anyway, thank y'all for taking the time to watch this. Remember to spend some time talking to God today, whether it's writing out a prayer or just flat out talking to him while you're driving to work or on your way home from school or whatever it is you're doing throughout your day. Also, Be sure to spend some time in His Word. There's a lot of really great advice for ways you can grow in your relationship with God and how to live your life in a God-honoring way. I will see y'all next time, which will hopefully be pretty soon. Bye!